Konnichiwa. In this video, we will explore the names of body parts in Japanese. This lesson is specially designed to be highly beneficial for beginners. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel to continue your Japanese learning journey with us. Let's begin.
体
body,
体
body,
体
body,
体
body,
頭
head,
頭
head,
頭
head,
頭
head,
髪
hair,
髪
hair,
髪
hair,
髪
hair,
顔
face,
顔
face,
顔
face,
顔
face,
目
eye,
目
eye,
目
eye,
目
eye,
耳
ear,
耳
ear,
耳
ear,
耳
ear,
鼻
nose,
鼻
nose,
鼻
nose,
鼻
nose,
口
mouth,
口
mouth,
口
mouth,
口
mouth,
歯
tooth,
歯
tooth,
歯
tooth,
歯
tooth,
首
neck,
首
neck,
首
neck,
首
neck,
手
hand,
手
hand,
手
hand,
手
hand,
指
finger,
指
finger,
指
finger,
指
finger,
足
leg, foot,
足
leg, foot,
足
leg, foot,
足
leg, foot,
お腹
stomach,
お腹
stomach,
お腹
stomach,
お腹
stomach,
背中
back,
背中
back,
背中
back,
背中
back,